So today's mostly just been kind of a travel day. Started out this morning at my campsite near Joshua Tree, and then headed north up through the desert. Made it through Las Vegas, kept on going, cut through a little corner of Arizona, and then made it up to St. George, Utah, where I stopped for a bit, uploaded the Joshua Tree video, and then kept on going, continuing more sort of northeast towards Zion National Park. Super awesome sunset. Kind of a bummer that I was in the car while it was happening. But now I'm just camped out on some BLM land again, right outside of Zion. So been mostly just kind of a travel day, running errands, doing a bunch of stuff that needs to be done. No photography, but tomorrow probably gonna wake up pretty early, head back down towards the park and just kind of explore the area, see what it's all about. Ended up sleeping in a little bit today. I was really tired when my alarm went off. I just pressed stop and went back to sleep. But I think I'm just gonna have kind of a leisurely day today. Do some reading, catch up on some work, and then go ahead and get out and explore the park tomorrow morning. I'll get up pretty early. Driving down into the park now. I think my plan for this morning is going to be to try to go hike up Angel's Landing. The only sort of bummer with Zion is that starting sometime I think in March, the only way to access the main canyon of the park is by a shuttle bus, which doesn't start until 7 a.m. and I think the last one leaves at like 7 p.m. So you can't really be in there before or after that, which kind of makes it hard to, you know, get there for sunrise or sunset or night photos. But we'll just try to work with what we got. I'm sure it's a good thing as far as like crowd management goes, but hopefully it should be a fun little hike here. Thank you. Pretty good hike so far. Gonna put the camera away though for this last part on the chains. Pretty scary. Big drops on either side. So I'll see you guys at the top. Pretty awesome up here. Lots of people back up there at the top, so I just kind of came down to this little ledge where nobody is, so pretty nice here. Amazing view in all directions. Sweet waterfall down there. Took a really long time to get up here just because the chain part near the top is super backed up, so really slow going, but awesome hike, definitely worth it. Sadly the light isn't great right now, it's just kind of overcast, so might not get any photos, but still good to come up here. That tired me out a lot. It's a good thing I went out as early as I did because it got so crowded here in just a couple hours. It's kind of crazy. I think I might just call it an episode for now. Probably gonna keep heading east across Utah after this. Not entirely sure where I'm gonna go next, but I guess I'll just have to watch the next video to find out. So thank you guys for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.